Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will show you how to make tandoori fish using the air fryer. But do not worry, you can also use the oven instead of the air fryer. I've taken 4 large pieces of boneless salmon. You can use any fish of your choice, doesn't have to be salmon. I used half of a lemon and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Rub the fish very well with the chili powder and leave it like this for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the second marination. I used about 1/4 cup of thick Greek yogurt. If you are using regular yogurt, then put the yogurt into a strainer and allow it to sit in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. In this way, the extra water will drip off. Then goes the main ingredient, 2 teaspoons of any store-bought tandoori masala, then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper. 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika to bring in that red color in a natural way, because I dislike using any artificial food colorings. A teaspoon of kasoori methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, and a tablespoon of oil. Next, I like using 2 teaspoons of gram flour, that is besan. Gram flour acts as a binding agent for those masalas to stick onto the surface of the fish. And at the same time, besan brings in a nutty flavor. Then half a teaspoon of salt. Tandoori masala already has added salt in it, so I added less salt, and finally a teaspoon of brown sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Now give a very good mix. Next, take a piece of fish at a time and apply the marinade very well. Now you can also add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to this marinade. I try to keep everything simple today. Allow the fish to sit for about 15 more minutes. Next, my air fryer calls for a preheating to be done. You need to air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. And since the pieces I am using are large, I can only air fry 2 at a time. I do not turn the fish in between, but you can do that if you choose to. What I did was I drizzled about a teaspoon of oil halfway through. After 12 minutes, you'll get this utterly delicious tandoori fish. You can sprinkle some chopped cilantro or any herb of your choice on top. Enjoy this with white rice and with a vegetable curry as a side, or maybe just a salad will be good as well. Make this on a weeknight or any time you like. And please send me your feedback. Bye-bye.